So I've got my Harbor Freight toolbox lock here in the vise, and I'm gonna show how easy it is to use the tubular tensioner and the tubular pick to get into this. So as you can see, there's these pins in here, and normally with the key will push them down to the right depth and then open up the lock. So basically what you're doing is you're going around with this single tubular pick and you're opening it up. So you can see I've only gone 45 degrees. I haven't gone the full 90 degrees, so I gotta keep picking. So it's the same process that I still have tension. Make sure to, there we go. So now you can take out, you can see here, now it's fully at the 90, and that just opened it up. And so this was, what, a minute and 30 seconds to open this up. There are other tools out there that can open this up in like 10 seconds. So not really a secure lock, especially if you've got valuable stuff in your toolbox. So enjoy.